Hello, crypto lovers. So Athene Network Withdrawal is live right now. You can make your withdrawal to your Metamask wallet. So in this video, I'll be showing you step by step on how you can withdraw your Athene Network to your Metamask wallet. So without too much talk, let's dive into the video. So first thing that you're going to do is you're going to come to your wallet section right here. You're going to come to your wallet section right here, and you need to come to your withdrawal and make the withdrawal. So before making the withdrawal, you have to set up your Metamask wallet. So if you did not have a Metamask account before, I have a video on how you can create your Metamask wallet, and a step-by-step video on how you can create your Metamask wallet. So make sure you check the video out and create your Metamask wallet before you make your withdrawal. And also before you make your withdrawal, you should have done your KYC and on your Athene network. So for you to know that you're KYC'd, you come to this place. As you can see here, I'm ticked, I'm KYC'd already. Before you can withdraw, there's a couple of steps that you're going to follow. You're going to open a Metamask wallet and add the contract and add the custom address, which is the Athene network. So let me go to my Metamask wallet and add the network. Right here on the Metamask wallet, we will be adding our custom address. So as I've said before, if you don't have a Metamask wallet, make sure you watch the video I did on how to create your Metamask wallet. So what you're going to do first on the Metamask wallet is to come to this Ethereum main network. So I'm going to click on the Ethereum main network, and I'm going to click add network. So after clicking on that, I'm going to click on custom network right here. I'm going to insert all the requirements in this box. So all the requirements that you need to insert in this box will be in the description below. So make sure you check the description below and insert all the necessary requirements. So first thing first is the network name. Put it here. So after that, they said I should put the RPC URL. I'll put the URL here. So after that, I'm going to put the chain ID. So I'll go back and collect the chain ID, which is this number here, right here. So copy, come back, insert it right here. I'm going to insert the symbol also, so I'll come back here and insert the symbol, which is ETH. So copy ETH, come back, put the symbol, and the last one will be the block explorer URL. So yeah, so after inputting all the necessary details that I need to put, I'm going to click on the add button here. Click on the add button, and there's some stuff here that I need to reset. So after that, I click on confirm and click on switch to network. You have switched to Athene Parthenon. So got it, and that's it. So after switching to the Athene network, I'm going to be importing the token right here. So I'm going to press on the import token right here, and I'm going to get the custom token address which is this, copy and go, and I'm going to go back and input the address right here. After that, I'm going to press the next button, yes, confirm, and press next. So as you can see, I'm going to click on the import button here, and voila, I've successfully added the Athene network to my Metamask wallet. So after that, I'm going to get the wallet address that I'm going to put in my Athene Network app. So let's get the Athene Network wallet address. I'm going to click on the Athene Network here. Click on the Athene Network. Come to the receive. Click on the receive button, and I'm going to get the wallet address. As you can see, this is the wallet address. So I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go back to my Athene app. I'm back in my Athene app, and I'm going to insert the wallet address here. So I'm going to click on the wallet section here. Click on the wallet section, which is this place, and after that I'm going to click on withdrawal. Oh, sorry, before I continue, I have some staked Athene, so I'm going to unstake all the Athene network that I staked before. So I'll come back to home, click on home, and I'll scroll down and click on stake here. After clicking on stake, I'm going to click on the view details here. Click on the view details, and I'm going to look for my staked Athene. So I staked for 3-month package, and I staked for flexible package. So I'm going to be withdrawing the 3 months. I'm going to be withdrawing that right now. So I'm going to click on withdraw. So they're going to send me OTP to my mail, and I'm going to be getting that in a second. So after getting it, I'm going to click on the confirm withdrawal, and voila, I've withdrawn the 30 Athene network that I staked before. So I'm going to go back and come to the flexible package and withdraw the token there also. So I have about 30 also here. So I'm going to click on the withdraw. On the reward section, I've successfully withdraw the reward, and I'm going to click on the withdrawal of the flexible. So I'm going to click on send OTP again, and I've successfully withdrawn the 2 staked Athene. And let's move on to withdraw the Athene. I'm going to click on the wallet, click on withdraw, and I'm going to go back and get my wallet address. So I'm going to copy it again, go back to the Athene network. I'm going to click on the max, insert the address, and after that click on confirm, send OTP, and let me get my OTP for the last time. I'm going to put 094475. Click on confirm, and as you can see, they said the system has acknowledged your withdrawal request and will take a few minutes to process. Your balance will be refunded if any error occurred during this process. So guys, this is a withdrawal process, and I've successfully withdrawn all my Athene network to my Metamask wallet. So thank you for sticking to the end of this video. Please click on the subscribe button and like this video and share to your friends so that your friends will not lose their Athene network. So thank you, and I will see you in the next video.